Alright guys, I crashed my drone really badly. I'm pretty sure my wing is cracked. I don't know which wing it is though. I'll just show you in a bit. Alright, it's this one right here. See, it's a little bit cracked. My camera it just isn't focusing. So, I'll fix it. Oh yeah, by the way, this propeller is an A2. Yeah, you can barely see it on camera. Well, okay, I'm looking for my A2 right now. So yeah, I got no A2s, but I'm pretty sure the A1 is actually the same. So I'll use this. Alright, so we have this screwdriver. My sister's gonna record this for me. Okay, can you go a little bit closer? Alright. Okay, this is really like... Oh my god. Okay, let me just... I'm going to scream. Why is this doing it?
Just punch it off.
Why would I punch it off?
So it can come off.
Shut up. Is this bubblegum ASMR you're doing right now?
Yeah.
Please stop it.
Okay.
Okay. Oh my god, where'd the screw go? Found it. Okay. This isn't coming off. Oh. Yeah, I got it. I got it to start coming off. Now our new one. Okay. Gonna get it on. Alright.
The surgery is almost finished.
Let me just screw this one back in. Okay, let's just... I'm gonna do this really tight. There we go. Let me check the other ones to see if they're like still like okay to fly.
I'm making you dance.
Can you make my phone not dance?
Okay.
Okay, I'm pretty sure this is done. And yes, these are the same.
The surgery
Okay.
is successful.
Okay, there we go. And rest in peace.
Snap it in half.
Why? No. Hold
It's
on.
already